creating sales pages, opt-in pages, and delivery pages taking too much of your time? Would it help your business if you could do all this in a tiny fraction of the time it normally takes, resulting in high-converting products with viral pages that truly impress your viewers? Now, I'm a software engineer, and marketing and selling is not something that comes naturally to me. To me, it's always been frustrating to spend lots of time on landing pages, sales pages, and opt-in pages because I'd rather spend that time developing new products. And yet, it's even more frustrating spending months on something that you believe will truly help people, only to have it gather dust when there are no sales. Up until now, for WordPress users, the only way to sell, market, and deliver digital products was to buy the diverse set of tools, plugins, and themes, to learn different interfaces for each of them, to battle compatibility problems, and to have inconsistent-looking pages as a result. Or another way was to subscribe to a platform like Kajabi, and that certainly simplifies things, but comes at a cost of over $1,200 per year for the most basic plan to over $8,600 per year for the premium plan. At the same time, Kajabi lacks customization, it has very limited integration when you need more, and does not put you in control. And that's why today I'm really delighted to share with you my brand new Drag and Drop Boss, the complete integrated solution for presenting, promoting, and delivering digital products, and even creating digital products. Now, if you are familiar with my company, C-Point, then you know that our specialty over the past 20 years has been software with heaps of under-the-hood functionality and super easy user interfaces like Animator Professional for animated GIFs and for stop-motion animation, WP Master Developer for creating WordPress plugins, or Inspire Vision ITV for launching and managing your own TV channel on Roku, just to name a few. Well, let me tell you, Drag and Drop Boss tops them all. From the technical point of view, Drag and Drop Boss is a WordPress theme with a number of integrated plugins. But it's so much more. It's an entire platform that lets you create beautiful animated websites visually with a point-and-click drag-and-drop interface. Now let's fast forward to the end result. The WP Survey Boss module gives you the know-how and the means of quickly putting together a survey that is free of any distractions to find out exactly what is that your potential customers need and value. This information is crucial because it lets you do both, create the exact product that the market is ready to buy and use their own words for your own marketing message. The WP Opt-in Boss module gives you the know-how and the means of creating an animated, responsive, and distraction-free opt-ins that people truly respond to. It's the fastest way to build your list. The WP Sales Boss module allows you to get your perfect sales page up and running in no time. All the components are in place, you just need to add your own information. And in addition, if you are selling via JVZoo, you will really love WP Download Boss. It's the missing link between JVZoo and WordPress, allowing you to reliably deliver your product on your own website while protecting your pages against unauthorized downloads. Every year, authors selling through JVZoo lose thousands of sales and hundreds of thousands of dollars because of unauthorized downloads. Well, WP Download Boss puts the end of it and protects your income. The WP Presentation Boss module gives you a unique, never-seen-before way of presenting your products and services full screen. It's like PowerPoint or Keynote, only 10 times better. Your presentation is animated, it's full screen, and it automatically adjusts to the size of the device, be it a desktop, tablet, or a phone, and even switches from landscape to portrait if need be. With this, you do webinar presentations or switch to auto-running animated presentations with one click, or you can incorporate them into your web pages. When you want to create other kinds of pages, such as the About page, charts, articles, descriptions, features, news, portfolio, and many others, it's just a matter of selecting the template and filling out your information. Well, let me tell you about 3 things that the early adopters of Drag and Drop Boss like the most. The number one is visual editing that is both front-end and back-end. Other visual tools give you one or the other. Well, here you can edit your pages using backend editor or display your page and edit it directly with a front-end editor. It really turns web design into fun. Second is the ability to create distraction-free full-screen pages with cover images and background videos. Now, that means that your surveys, opt-in pages, and other pages look terrific, while all the things that can distract the viewer, such as header, footer, sidebars, and links, have been removed. Number 3 is the ability to extend in few seconds the visual editing with new components, such as price tables, testimonials, galleries, countdowns, sliders, team members, and everything else that you might need. Ultimately, you're not locked into a proprietary tool. You can add new visual components, and the tools are not somewhere in the cloud controlled by others. You are in full control at all times. Well, let me show you exactly how drag and drop Boss works. Whether you are working with the entire page, such as the sales page or an opt-in page, or with components, you will notice that you have templates for everything. You just need to supply your own information and you are done. Next, whether you're using the front end or the back end editing, you can always change the layout by dragging and dropping. And to change the way objects such as charts, sliders, portfolios, and others look and behave, you simply click and specify the properties. It doesn't get any simpler than that. With a consistent point and click drag and drop interface, putting the pages together is super fast, easy, and fun. Design wouldn't be complete without the ability to reuse it. Well, when you create a page, you can save it as a template and use it as a starting point to create new pages. Similarly, new objects such as accordions, carousels, content boxes, counters, and others can be edited and used in both front-end and back-end visual editing. When you grab your copy of Drag and Drop Boss today, you're going to discover a new way of creating websites, and the way you experience WordPress will never be the same. In short, this is what Drag and Drop Boss gives you. It gives you a super easy way of creating high converting sales pages, opt-in pages, delivery pages, and all other types of pages that you need for great looking websites. It gives you the mechanism to survey your prospects, to give them the exact product that they want and value, and use their own words for irresistible marketing messages. It gives you the full screen animated online presentations for webinars and live audiences, as well as auto-running demos and promos. Gives you the both front-end and back-end visual editing of your pages. It's the link between JVZoo and WordPress to deliver your downloads while protecting them against unauthorized sharing. And it gives you the template-based reuse of both pages and components. The early response to Drag and Drop Boss has been nothing short of amazing. And here is what people are saying about it. Cedric from LA says, a big thank you for DD Boss. I had a sales page up and running in under 10 minutes. This alone saved me a week of work. Albert from Birmingham says, I can't believe this is still WordPress. Page editing is kick-ass. Authors always exaggerate their claims, but Drag and Drop Boss is all they say it is, and more. It grows on you. The more I use it, the more I like it. Camille from Houston says, the first time I'm creating pages myself after spending a fortune paying web developers. This is so simple, my 9-year-old daughter can do it. Now you might be wondering what you will need to invest in order to grab your copy of Drag and Drop Boss. And that's a fair question, considering that programs like Kajabi are $129 per month for the most basic functionality, up to $899 per month for the premium features. With this in mind, pricing Drag and Drop Boss as the one-off payment of $500 or a monthly subscription of $100 would be an absolute bargain for what it does. However, because I've already been through that expensive development process to get it working for me in my own business, the hard, costly work has already been done for you. As a special early bird offer, while the launch is on, you get all the video training and drag and drop boss theme with all the integrated plugins for a special one-time investment of just $47 for the single site license. So if you're looking for a reliable WordPress platform to present, promote and deliver your digital products, just click the Buy Now button below this video. And when you buy today, not only do you get everything at a special pricing reserved for Foundation members only, but I'm going to throw in the bonus that you are going to love and use all the time. It's called WP Pro Image Editor, which allows you to edit and create images directly on your website. You can add extra images, semi-transparent shapes, text with Google fonts to existing uploaded images on your site. Change the look and style of the images, apply preset styles, and finally save the new image all directly from your WordPress site. I stand behind this product 100%, and it comes with my personal rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee of the full purchase price. If you are for any reason not thrilled about Drag and Drop Boss, just let me know and you get your money back. No questions, no hassles, and no hoops to jump through. It's an unconditional guarantee, so you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. You have wasted enough of your time, energy and sanity. Now is the moment to get the tool that will save you the time and energy while delivering viral, animated, high-converting pages that your customers love and respond to. The good news is that in just a few minutes you will be running your Drag and Drop Boss WordPress website and creating sales pages, opt-in pages and delivery pages for your digital products. Today, as one of the founding members, as one of the early adopters of Drag and Drop Boss, you pay next to nothing for it. But the difference it's going to make to your business is enormous. So just imagine all the traffic and the flood of new sales notifications that you are going to enjoy. So to grab your copy of Drag and Drop Boss at the special early adopter price and receive your WP Pro Image Editor bonus, click on the Buy Now button below.